Recently, we see Elon Musk. He states कि he's been operating in USA. उनका business setup है. Organizations been working. Tesla working. SpaceX has been working in US because of one of the major reasons being H1B visa. So he says कि अगर H1B visa से related जो rules हैं अगर if it is withdrawn or it is made much more stricter, so he says कि he can even go to a war because of this. Even when we study the data related to the Indians, overall USA में we see 72% H1B visa holders are Indian nationals. So it means कि जो IT sector है जो growth है of US majorly driven by Indian nationals. Because ये देखा ये गया कि in USA there is a lack of again hard skilled trained IT professionals जो skills Indians के पास exist करती है हमारे demographic dividend के पास exist करती है. So even India की जो top 4 IT majors हैं, can you name them? Indian IT majors, Infosys, TCS, HCL, Wipro. Even there, we see that they have been obtaining again approvals for around like 20,000 employees to work on the H1B visa. So their safety, their interest, and how we can stop this brain drain is also crucial for India's growth being a Viksit Bharat by 2047. So H1B visas, obviously it is issued to the skilled workers, and with the new Trump regime coming in January 2025, we see that again immigration से related भी it is a hot topic of debate जिसकी बात की जाती है. But again immigration में it is stated it is now being shaped that immigration जब हम बोल रहे तो it is against the illegal immigrants. America first doctrine again जो policy है जो narrative है how that is going to impact the Indian workers, the skilled workers who are working in the US economy. So these are few areas where we can just pay our attention to in the coming times.